Hi, I'm Patrick Behr, and in this video, I'm going to use Valence to create a KPI dashboard. So here we are in Nitro App Builder, and the first step in creating any app is to add a data source. And the data source is simply an SQL statement. Here I'm using the System Status Info Basic SQL service to get the number of active jobs, the percentage of storage use, temp storage, and CPU average. I'm going to go ahead and save this as the system status, save that. Now that I have a data source, the next step is going to be to create a widget. And a widget is just a way to visualize the data inside of a data source. And there's a lot of widgets available. We have grids, charts, graphs, calendar, tile, forms. What we're going to create here is a single KPI. And this is going to be the number of active jobs in the system. So we'll say active jobs here and save this as active jobs KPI and save that. So we've created our first widget. We'll go ahead and create another widget here, another KPI. This one will be temp storage. And the value for that is going to be the current temporary storage. We'll have this refresh every 30 seconds. We'll save this as temp storage KPI, save that. And one more single KPI. This is going to be the CPU average. Average here. We'll have this refresh every 30 seconds as well. And save this as CPU KPI. One more widget I want to create, and this one is going to be a gauge chart. The data field that I want is going to be the system ASP used. We want this to auto refresh every 30 seconds. And down here in the UI, what I also want, it just has the number here. It doesn't really indicate a whole lot. So here I'm going to put %ASP text after the values. Now it'll tell us that 69.82% of ASP, and the maximum value here is going to be 100%. I will save this as ASP KPI as well. So now we have 4 different widgets. The next thing we're going to do is create a new application and add these widgets into our app. Just keep adding these widgets in here. And of course, you can put these in any sort of order that you want. If I want to have 2 rows side by side, I can do that. Move this one up. That looks a little bit better. And we'll go ahead and save this as system dashboard in the non-categorized category. And once the refreshes down here, you'll see our new app, and here is our dashboard. So that was pretty quick and easy. And just remember, though, that even though we only have 4 KPIs on there, it's very easy with these SQL services to add all sorts of KPIs to our dashboard. Right? We have all sorts of things that are in here, security related, your PTF currency, all sorts of stuff that we have, security, object ownership, lots and lots of KPIs that we can add, and it is really easy to do. So there's certainly a lot more we can do with our KPI dashboard, but we've already gotten a pretty good start in under 3 minutes. So if you're interested in modernization and building web applications on IBM I, reach out to Seiden Group and we can help you explore the many different options that are available, including Valence.